Top of the morning. Tuesday, May 6th, 2025. No news on the Forex calendar. So coming into the day, we're gonna take it light. Not trying to push it too hard, not trying to go too heavy. Do the same setups we do every day. Just keep in the back of the mind, take it light. No news today. No orange or red folders, I say that. We're gonna listen to a little bit of ICT while I set up these charts. That's it. Hmm. Knock them off. Hmm. Yeah, equal. Hey, I'm here. Mhm. You I'm done. Mm, 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 mm. 8:30. See what we get. Mm, mm. 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 What we gonna get? What we gonna get? What we gonna do? We gonna do? Also good. First shift at the 8:30. First shift at the 8:30 on the 5 minute. If you've been here, you already know. Yeah, 22 points. Equal lows. Let's see if she continue. All right. Fifty points would be 770. 25 points would be 95. Expansion, retrace, expansion. First two field targets. Hey, real nigga, I ain't perfect. Remember we was in the trap, we was serving. You'll get the dope, said it's perfect. My dog got life for a body, ain't even murder. Cuz got life for a robbery, was it worth it? See my cousin pat them crackers, no he ain't deserving. Fuck nigga set up my partner to make a purchase. And nigga still caught from that nigga knowing he worked. Hey, every world is still turning. I'm on my third blunt early morning, I'm still burning. Never been on whole shit, why would I feel nervous? Keep fire, eat on me, conceal burdens. All my niggas taught me to hustle, some real earners. So we ain't pay attention in school, the streets learn. Never get involved in business that don't concern you. Making decisions caught in your feelings might get you murdered. Remember we was in the trap, we was serving. Remember we was in the trap, we was serving. You'll hit the dope, said it's perfect. I'm just a real nigga, I ain't perfect. I ran it up, now you can't catch me, nigga. Make me confident about that bread, you know I'm stepping, nigga. Call it hollering at you, shot him up like my name's Stephen, nigga. I'm certified, plus I'm battlefield tested, nigga. I swear it's sad. She told me all I rap about it cash. Came up like I did, ain't nothing more important than getting a bag. I got it off the Yale, sounds bad as scale. All this white girl out on beat, well I deserve to be in jail. I don't fuck with niggas cause these niggas tell. I'm scared of crackers cause I think they trail, but I ain't trying to catch a sale. I ain't becoming dirt, do it by yourself. That nigga that you think is solid prayer, I won't think twice before he bail. I been like you for a minute, pray got no case of pending. Cause the way these niggas copy deuces get you a long sentence. Cause the way these niggas drop it down like they ran out of pennies. Coming live from the trenches, you wanna survive, mind your business. Remember we was in the trap, we was serving. Remember we was in the trap, we was serving. You'll hit the dope, said it's perfect. I'm just a real nigga, I ain't perfect. Come back to the gap. And then what? Continue down or flip? Honestly, I think 847, clear target. I think they might play around. BPR, the 5-minute gap. Ooh, equal highs. Swing. That's the swing. Flipped on the 1 minute. Whole time frame not allowed are not aligned to go down. Need the 1 minute to get back aligned. Dropping low. When you think it's on flow shit, full nigga, it don't need go shit. Nigga, you just gotta stand on business. They selling whole shit for a ticket. I'ma get it how I'm living. I know how to stack and how to flip it. Trying to get the fuck up out the trenches. They was showing love for it, now they switching, I can feel it. These niggas ain't real, how they mention. Hey, trap out, nigga, till you cash out. Going grind, you ain't gotta crash out. Fuck niggas switching, play the opposition. So I gotta keep it something with extensions so I get it. I'm trying to make $1 out of penny. Fuck a designer, I'm maxed out. Keep the product and offended. A lot of niggas envy. Yeah, you can be jumping up out of bed. I still get your bitch in a limit. Cause it's real shit, ain't no need to see me. This ain't an image. You niggas selling lies, that's a gimmick. Free my nigga fresh out of prison. One of the realest, it's been a minute. And real niggas ain't dead, they was still in it. All you niggas on flow shit. Fuck nigga, it don't even talk shit. Everything you gotta stand on business. They selling whole shit for a ticket. I'ma get it how I'm living. I know how to stack it, how to flip it. Trying to get the fuck up out the trenches. They was showing love for it, now they switching, I can feel it. These niggas ain't real, how they mention. Niggas on flow shit. Now you niggas on flow shit. Fuck nigga, it don't even go shit. Nigga, you gotta stand on business. They selling whole shit for a ticket. I'ma get it how I'm living. I know how to stack it, how to flip it. Trying to get the fuck up out the trenches. They was showing love for it, now they switching, I can feel it. These niggas ain't real, how they mention. Hey, niggas on flow shit. Fuck nigga, you don't even call shit. Nigga, you just gotta stand on business. They selling whole shit for a ticket. I'ma get it how I'm living. I know how to stack it, how to flip it. Trying to get the fuck up out the trenches. They was showing love for it, now they switching, I can feel it. These niggas ain't real, how they mention. Ooh. Pay attention, son. Pay attention. Swept 15-minute sell side. Swept it. Boom. Shifted on the one. Entry right here would have been nice. Come back to a 1-minute gap. Take it to here. Sweet sell side liquidity. Shift on the one. Take it to here. Still no clear direction right there, just yet. Direction to be clear after 10. Coming in with a premature bias, I'm looking down. But I'm not completely sold where I'm only going to look down. Yeah. But I do see this level possibly being taken out. Definitely see this being taken out. Got a shift on the 5 for me to take it up. Sam, good, bro. Looking for a direction right now, man. Seeing what you want to do. I ain't locked in on no bias right now. I am thinking down, but we're gonna trade what we see right now. So they BPR this. Oh, that's my dog. What up, bro? We live, bro. Bro, I called you yesterday too, man. So we can set all your futures and everything. Get you started, man. Paper trading at least. I know you probably at work too. If you want to come on as a guest so you can ask questions and talk, I'll bring you up. I can hide your picture if you want to hide your screen. I ain't gonna lie, this is one of them days. Tuesday, no news. This ain't one of my best trading days. No news. I love a good red folder to trade off of. So today I'm gonna just stick to the 5, man. Trust the 5 and the 15 and the 1 hour. Try not to put too much emphasis on the 1 minute unless it just lines up like something I know, something I'm familiar with. Other than that, Tuesday, no news. Take it light. Try not to lose. Stick to the 5. Yeah. Just because you driving trucks don't mean you can't trade, though. I know you know that. So I got a homeboy in Louisiana be driving. Anytime he get a chance to park or look at his phone, boy. Bro, trying to make some. Nine o'clock. First shift at the 8:30, that shit worked, but damn, I thought they'll go a little further. All he did was took out his first swing low. $22 points and turned around. Uh-oh. 1 minute back in line to go down, but all they're doing is going to this PPR. Oh shit. Sean, what up, bro? Five-minute BPR, but it's not a shift to go up yet. Possibly on the one. If we want to go off this, sweep the lows, shift on the one, retrace. Retrace 50% and go back up. Possible. But based off the 5, we still going down. Never shifted, never closed above these. Came up to this order block, came back down. 5 say down. 15 still look bearish. 1 hour down. I just need 1 minute to get in line for time frame alignment. In a way, it is like we can look at this as bullish. Shift right here, we can look at this as all right, the 1 minute back in line to go down. But how far down? We're gonna take out these lows, or we're gonna come down to this order block and turn around. Trust the 1 or trust the 5, 15, and 1 hour. Trust the higher time frame, you should go down. Boy. Bruh. Sean, people better approve your payout, man. We raising hell on Apex. Activating Bullinox PA. Shit, you know you probably got a trigger finger. You're going to want to trade something. Either PA or Combine or SIM. But shit. You know, I got 3 PAs, 1 Combine. We're going to see. Shit. Apex need to pay the trader though, man. Going down.
Still seeing visions of us rolling in between the shades.
Looking real bearish, real. $20 to the open. 50 till 10 o'clock. Making up gift curse common sense tell you that we better offset before an obsession turns to depression. You know where we headed, crash course unexpected, but this time I'm fleeing the scene, leaving the wreckage, picking up the pieces this time now, baby. Just ask yourself, have you done for me? Not lately. So basically this shit is really what you try to make it, but you can take it how you want to take it, so you can take it. All time frames looking down. 1 minute just gotta get through these order blocks. 20 minutes till the open, they might play. Don't play with me. If we had news, we probably ain't would be playing. We did something already by now. That shit up pretty nice, man. Cover with the slow song and shit. Cover with the love music on this Usher shit. Oh, what Bruh say? Passed another one last night, but failed too. Boy, you wild, man. In Asia. Sean, what you mean? You tapped out on this trade? Or you tapped out on combines? Look how they playing. That's a good buy right there, though. Low risk, bro. I wouldn't do it, though, but I see it. Order block, gap, volume imbalance. Buy right here. Stop right here. What that is? 6 points. What could they probably go to this gap? 6 points for 16. Going against the high time frame, though, so I wouldn't try. Go on and drop that thing, man. So basically this shit is really what you try to make it, but you can take it how you want to take it, so you can take They did it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 7:49. 7:49.
I'm looking like $1 million. It's been a mutual, I'm in the party. Hennessy and Bacardi, Remy, we got plenty options. Club full of pussy money, swishes, cigar sets, Puerto Rican dark skin, arson. Fire wanna pop out. She say no need to get a ring, we do it in the casa. She say I got a friend with me, hope it's not a problem. If she don't got a problem with me, Naja, then We just taking pictures like models for Twitter followers, and I don't usually go for you. I'ma fuck off some condoms on some products. Long as the pussy tight and grip the condom, no drama. Keep it honest, and it's what you don't like it. But fuck the talking, no need to speak about it. Know you got a man, but he don't bring the free about you. He don't even eat to tell you lick it, beat you, make you drip the sheets and holler. Just take a couple shots with me and follow. She got that drink, and let's get this party right. Is that your friend?
Mm-hmm.
That she giving me the eye. You say you got that love, then roll up. Now it's time to touch the sky. Is that your man that you made for? 'Cause you're leaving with me tonight.
They gonna give it to us.
Bottles of Patron gold and I'm pouring up. OG gas bag, and I'm rolling up.
10 minutes for the open.
Jay walking on you hoes, bitch, you know what's up. I know all these hoes on me cause a nigga fly. And that's your bitch.
Check out the low before the open.
Could it be the swag? Could it be the cash? And she only knew I'm just trying to smash all the no strings attached. But she gon' find out at the mall. But she finna leave with me, so sorry, no. Motherfucker nigga, he don't want no problems. I ain't feeling she can have you back and young. Real talk, and I'm still turned up. I don't give a fuck, smoke so much gas, feel like I'm a bird now. Fuck niggas over there, but they don't concern us. All them hoes got a nigga focused. See, you got that drink.
Got the games they play. 5 minutes need to close below this. Need a body closer right here to continue down. Ooh, look how they playing. Don't play with me.
I'm trying to be respectable, man. I can't stop her. Cup full of niggas got me feeling all puffy. Let's go jump in the Impala and ride into tomorrow. And you down for it all, push the weed and alcohol. They say it satisfies all. Believe I love the boss. Money never meant nothing. A man, I stand tall. When I take her to the mall, the mother hoe just pause. Niggas see me be like, how you getting them dough? Pimpin' is in my blood, my daddy a straight dog.
Tell them boys they gotta finish the song, man.
Ooh, honey, that's good. You want some money for that pussy, bitch? You ain't said shit. Blue face hunters for that pussy, bitch? You ain't said shit. You want a bag for that pussy, oh,
Yeah. We'll skip that. Go to my shit. They playing.
See, yo, I won't rob, still a kill, but I deal for it. I come from the streets, I get it how I live for it. I know them fuck niggas telling they'll squeal for it. Got my nigga 40, I hope he win his appeal for it. I don't understand. Same nigga tell it.
Bro, I said Apex better pay the trader, man. He better not play with my dog. Get my dog his money. That's what I said. Oh, we all gonna protest. Me, you, and Jane. Apex want to come out with new rules not to pay people. Make it harder to get a payout. That'll be one of the last companies to get a recommendation from me. Boy, you had to work at 1 a.m. Damn. Mm-hmm. They want to go down, but they playing. I want to take it down, but they playing. 6 minutes to the open. What could they do? What type of games could they play before the open? Type of games would they play before the open? 5-minute gap. What is this? What? 5-minute gap that they might come back to. Order 1 minute order blocks to keep price down. That right there should keep price down below 800. 749, 750. Five minutes to the open. Or like they might just dump before the open. Mm-hmm. 2 minutes.
I'ma give me some money, straight out the country. Bitch, I've been bucking, Sunday to Sunday. 100 my money, I'm getting money. Stacking the figures, but that my religion. I read the leaders, the reap all the benefits. These niggas talking, but not really living. Niggas just some money, I don't really give a shit. I'ma just do me and stay out the way. And fuck with these niggas too faced at all times. Keep the check on my waist. I done been up with too many states. Show love, just a nigga that fake. Got mad, he couldn't get on my plate. All that talent got me sitting on state. But I'm back and I learned from my mistakes. Ready up on you fuck niggas, this is what y'all hate. If you ain't a real nigga, though, then I can't relate. If it ain't about a dollar, I ain't got a word to say. These fuck niggas getting out of place. But I swear I shoot a nigga, they ain't worth it. They gon' hold it 55, do it with a 30. Hey, I hold another 50. Run up on my, I ain't missing, nigga, I'll bury it. No, nigga, I ain't tripping. So the holders gotta keep it, better mind your business. Everything that you gon' get me slipping. Then you better keep wishing.
1 minute. Shit finna get crazy. No News Tuesday.
Stay out the way, get that money through the race. Cause I ain't trying to catch a case. Running routes, catching plays. Take the weed, meditate. Shit, I get so high.
20 seconds.
Get a drop on the lick and go get it. Forget it, don't celebrate. Niggas tell us forever. They want you inside of that cellar thing. And I ain't gon' lie, I've been drinking. Never fold under pressure. What the fuck you thinking? They gon' be one for the joking and breaking. When I got some niggas fighting open cases. Yeah, I can see it all on their faces. I know they hating that my motivation. I fuck with the realest, ain't no imitation. Life is a given, but don't get it taken. Don't get it mistaken. These niggas be
What they gonna do? What they gonna do?
I ain't gotta pretend. Been through the most, don't know how to begin. Free all my niggas that's stuck in the bed. Raining and pouring, some niggas be trash. Options a few can come out of the trash. Jump out that link and then hop in the pins. Nah. Lately a nigga been solo, I been feeling like fuck a friend. Nah. You never cross me, I swear ain't no beef, but to me you niggas don't exist. Nah. You with me or you go against me, don't be on the fence. Nah. Try not to stand out too much, gotta know how to blend. Nah. I'ma give me some money and stay out the way. I'ma give me some money and stay out the way. I'ma give me some money and stay out the way. Fuck nigga tripping, might give me a case. I can't fuck with these niggas too fast. I'ma give me some money and stay out the way. I'ma give me some money and stay out the way. I'ma give me some money and stay out the way. I'ma give me some money and stay out the way. Fuck nigga tripping, might give me a case. I can't fuck with these niggas too fast. I'ma give me some money and stay out the way. I'ma give me some money and stay out the way. I'ma give me some money and stay out the way. Fuck nigga tripping, might give me a case.
What we gonna do, baby? What we gonna do, baby? Wait till 10 o'clock.
Your future is at your fingertips.
Wait till
Take
10
advantage of
o'clock.
the flexibility and diversity of futures trading with Ninja Trader, the #1 rated futures broker.
Who rated Ninja Trader #1? Not over here. Who gave him that rate? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. First shift after 9:30. Equal highs on the 15. Equal lows look too good. Might run away from it and then come back down. Came within 30 points again to equal lows. No news Tuesday. So I expect them to play around. So they might go up, dance, and then come back down. Inverted the 5-minute gap. trying to get me some money and stay out the way. Yes, clean. Q ain't giving me what I want. We're gonna be the strength leader to go up. All accounts copied. Oh man, what is the problem here? Why we ain't copied? What is the problem? What is the problem? Oh, I got it on the wrong account. Oh, okay. That's why. Got the shift on the 5, came back and retested. Can we get 908? Shift on ES, came back and tested. Can we get 643? Entry at 840, looking for 908. On the other computer. Entry at 27. Looking for 43. On a no news Tuesday. Keep expectations light. I might get out before the target. On a no news Tuesday. Feel like they're gonna play. This 5-minute candle close. Got an order block and a gap. It might come down here. Just because. No news on a Tuesday. We had news, we'd have been ran up and got that already. What's in the way? 5-minute gap is in the way of getting the target. Got a 5-minute gap in the way of getting the target. I'm tripping. 15-minute gap. And 5. For the No News Tuesday. New 5-minute counter. Watch it come down to the gap. Man, let's act like we're in a rush to get somewhere, man. Let's act like we're trying to get somewhere. There it goes. Back to the gap, back to the order block. Cover my interest, so we still good. Figured they was gonna do that. Wait till 10. No direction yet. If we had news today, this play would have worked. Bounce right here and take it up, at least to the gap. No News Tuesday. Gonna play with you. Played once down here, should have came here. Played again here. I'm gonna keep saying that. With every idea I got, you gotta remember it's a No News Tuesday. One of the worst trading days. In the cycle of trading days. 10 minutes to 10 o'clock. Might take my little $20 and go on about my business. They don't show me something clear. Say clearly you can see the higher time frame when I go lower. Clearly we see equal lows at 749. But as far as an entry, no clear entry. You ain't even come back to the 1 minute gap. Close below here, no retest. 1 minute gap. All they use this, what was this, BPR? 5 minute BPR. Close below, retest the BPR. It's not my trade. It's not my setup. It's not my style. What news we got tomorrow? Oh, we got Fed funds rate tomorrow. 2 o'clock. Power. Unemployment claims on Thursday. And probably a sloppy day on Friday. Sam, I ain't really got a bias right now, bro. All I know is high time frame want to take out these equal lows. I know that for sure. I know high time frame want to take out these lows. But that don't do me no good if they don't give me an entry. They don't give me a setup that I like. It's no news Tuesday. Remember this right here. They done played in my face twice. Closed below here, went back up. Closed below here, still went up. Closed above, come all the way down. Accounts get blown on days like this. And really, if you don't have to trade, just don't trade. Straight up. If you don't have to trade, don't trade. Because tomorrow the setup will probably be too clean, too pretty. Oh, if this AM session turn out to be messy, man, just wait till lunch. You might get something clean at lunch. AM session be sloppy, blow up a bunch of accounts. By the time 11:30, 12 comes, half the day traders, they pissed off, tired of trading, ready to close their computers. And lunch will give something sweet, clean, easy. You ain't got to trade in the morning. I took this buy up off of ES when we shifted above and retested with this candle, but I sold half up here and then I covered my entry down here because I figured they're probably coming back to this gap. Without news, we ain't really got nothing to just take off and run. Pre-market idea, target hit 749. No hindsight, a mug. In hindsight, we could have said, okay, 8:30 to get you the shift. Enter here. Stop above here. 54-point stop. That ain't my trade. For 70-point target, it's not my trade. First shift at the 8:30. My trade, they would have shifted right here, entry here, go get the target. Four minutes. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock should. Not always, but should give us something clear. We might just be hanging out today, man. Still early to put all that on the market. 10 o'clock, 45 seconds.
So we had the key to talking about. Yeah.
Fellas,
What's up, G?
10 o'clock, 10 seconds.
Who is Timothy, bro? It must be James. Apex and Miss
Why are you asking the question if you know the answer, bro?
Hey man, I didn't know. I had to guess. I had to look at whoever was in here, man. I didn't see you, so I suspected you.
Indicator saying short inside this box.
Yeah, it inverted a 1 minute gap. But I'm still.
And then I got all three up. The YM went inside of a 5 minute gap. The 5 minute bearish, the YM went inside of its 5 minute gap. The other two didn't. So I don't. Hopefully this ain't no SMT or something, but we should get some continuation. As long as it don't shift on the one, you should keep going lower.
BPR, boy. I mean, we done going up though. Should be.
We SMTing at the lows. The E and Q just took the lows. The other two didn't. Just take these lows right here, bro.
Mm-hmm.
So we shift on the 1 minute, bro. It could go higher.
All my entries and all my exits, you know what I mean? Like on one side.
I'm going down.
My ass out. She wanna go back. She wanna go 50%.
Yeah, I just told you that E and Q took the lows. The other two didn't. So we shift on the one. This well now we coming into a 5 minute gap.
5 minute
too,
gap,
though, so
Yeah, coming into a 5 minute gap, both of them. 5 minute BPR, but she don't be respecting that, I'm telling you.
we shifted on the one, bro. Like, I don't know. 10 hours now, 10 o'clock right now.
It's a toss up. Good short right here. 795.
Yeah, I'm trying to get short.
795.
Yeah.
15 minute and 5.
Yeah, with the closure below.
Silver bullet 1 minute gap.
Who is Timothy?
You already know. Silver bullet 1 minute gap though. Bullish.
Yeah, I see it.
You remember how last Tuesday was now? Take it light today. Don't try to push too hard. Don't try to go too heavy.
Timothy is Jigga trying to change his name. You can't change your name, Jigaboo.
We need updates every day. Timothy from Apex. What they saying now?
I'm not even recording this shit.
Five-minute gap with the order block, but they already took out the low. The daily low. Took out the daily low. We got a shift on the 5. $10 o'clock open is at 7:57. So on the 2 hour, this candle 2 hour candle green right now until we get back below it. And what I'm looking for. Silver Bullet gave 20 points already. $15-minute order block, 5-minute gap, 50% of the body, 50% of the body, 803. What's she gonna do? It'd be too easy just to follow the flow of the pre-market going down. I think that's too easy. Everybody can see that. So what would smart money want to do? Take it back up? Because this is too easy. Somebody on their first day trading can see this. Damn. Took out equal lows. Thursday low. Shift on the 1 minute silver bullet. Textbook entry. Bro said too, if they shift on the 1, we can go up. Took that equal low. Took that daily low.
Look on the 5-minute. Like you see, like I said, the ES, that 5-minute, the NQ 5-minute candle took them lows. Mm-hmm. So that's the SMT in itself. Like, this one made the NQ made a breaker. The other two didn't. So they made mitigation. So, that's the SMT. Could probably, get a little higher. But we still bearish from the 5. But
yep,
1 minute ain't in agreement with that yet.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely right.
But like I said, look to the left at 8:30, man. We got that swing high over there, man. So, like you said, if we doing the 8:30 play, look to the left at 8:30. We did sweep some lows, but
908.
Look to the left at 8:30. Hold on, let me go to the 15-minute chart.
908 and 56.43. Already got it marked up.
I got 909. I got the swing like right to the left of that one. I got 909. Then you got the 15-minute gap up there.
Yeah, bro, you on micros, that's why.
Oh yeah. Okay, then do that.
I ain't gonna trip by 1 point.
Look for the light, man. Flame the other end. Yeah, light it like that. Yeah.
Another silver bullet entry on the one. Perfect
And
too.
line up
At
with a
8:13.
5-minute gap.
Yeah,
3
we in a
minutes.
5-minute
We'll
gap.
take a look. Yeah, 3
It's
minutes.
Tuesday, man. Typical Tuesday, bro.
No news.
You can see it. Yeah, no news. I can see it both ways. I can see the reason to short. I can see the reason to go long.
I ain't gonna lie. That's up to 5 minutes. Just
I can put a story together for going long. I can put a story together for going short. For me, that
I
means
think
sit
we're
on the
going long
side.
now because a 5-minute candle closed inside that gap. So that kind of negate the 5-minute short right there. Because it's a 5-minute candle closing inside the gap. You want it to wick inside it. You don't want it to close inside. Once it goes inside, it's like
we took that daily low
to go long.
Like we took Thursday low. Well,
damn, man.
What you trying to get? You gonna try to get Wednesday low? Silver bullet pan.
Nice, we up there.
IM took this 5-minute high already. So.
Yeah, she's stronger on this push up.
Yeah, hey, Jarrell, that's something
50-minute gap. Okay.
Hey, it's higher, but hey, real, that's something I got on the stream too. I got well, you probably wouldn't know, but I got multiple monitors. I got my computer and then 2 monitors. On one of my monitors, I got all 3 of them on there, bro. Like I don't even take that shit off now because that helped. You know what I'm saying? Help me see the SMTs and just that little bit of nuance, that little bit of difference that you see in them. But I promise that shit a big help. Like right now, I took them highs, the other 2 didn't. This could be an SMT to short. You know what I'm saying? Or it's gonna be an SMT just to get some type of pullback. Like that's what the SMTs be meaning. Like you see the SMT, something finna happen.
Yeah. Looking long now since the 5-minute candle goes inside it. 5-minute gap. We inside the first bearish 1-minute gap when it dropped. Right now. Yeah. But hopefully it can bring us down to this 5-minute. Put me in, then we'll take London high. I'll go to the 15-minute gap at 33.
We have the monthly open right now on the NQ.
8:34.
9:35. Yeah, that's a good point. I go that SMT shit, man.
That this 5-minute gap.
Five-minute BPR. Another one. They've been doing that all day. This is the 3rd one. BPRs ain't what they used to be. Shit. BPR supposed to hold.
Ain't none of them been holding.
None of them been holding.
Been getting ran through.
You still got this one at the top at 94. Let's see what she gonna do. BPR supposed to mean we done in that direction. Not today. But I might not take another trade today. I might just wait till tomorrow or lunch. I don't know. We're gonna see. I took the first 5-minute shift on ES, but I covered my entry and she came back.
Up to the yet. I took 2 trades, 2 L.
Shit going high.
Filled.
Damn it, just got to my spot.
You don't need a 5-minute gap. That's how you're gonna do cub. 5 minutes EPR.
Push.
Probably don't come back that low, bro. You looking at somebody sharing? Nah, ain't nobody sharing their screen. It did that shift on the 1 minute, bro. You see, you looking at the 1 minute?
Yeah, I see it.
See how I closed above all them down candles? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. There she goes.
Target fill, baby. I'm done for the day. Not messing with this shit. This shit be too fucking. She ain't respecting nothing, bro. I seen her run through every gap on the fucking page right now. You think she going down? She gonna run that gap. She think she going up? She fitting to run that gap too. Like, what the fuck?
No nose Tuesday, man.
It almost like you got like triple VPRs back to back if she still don't want to hold.
You heard me? Do the 8:30 play, bro.
So yeah, you would have had to take that first. You would have had to take the first silver bullet. It's 780 off the 8:30 play.
Definitely paid today.
Mm-hmm.
But there was another trade that I don't know if you guys like know. So I marked off the 1 hour and the 4 hour, right? So we had I think I was looking at 49, anything below that.
Mm-hmm.
And when she sucked back up after she took that previous day low. So okay, this is what I get. I'm learning is that when she takes a significant low, these gaps up here, these fair value gaps and BPR.
You said, hey, bro, you said up here like you sharing your screen.
Oh, sorry.
Like we looking at it or something with you.
My bad. Hold on, my bad. My bad. Yeah, okay. I was talking on my screen like I'm showing y'all.
That's what I'm looking at the screen like, man.
All right, so you see this line right here? I don't mind. It says 1 hour fair value gap. Really?
Yeah, don't worry about it. I see it though. Go ahead.
Yeah. So that was the line. So once I see it suck up like this, because this is the 15-minute, the 4 hour and a previous day low is right here. So 15-minute, boom, you got the change right here. Technically speaking, bro, we could have got in right here.
Yep.
What?
And even though she had a 5-minute, because I had the 5-minute up over here on my MNQ, she got 5-minute BPRs all over the place. But here's where we talked about this on Boyd Zoom about the hierarchy of PD arrays. And a previous day low or a higher time frame low that's taken is hierarchy that it's more than a fair value gap bearish, fair value gap or bearish order block. It's definitely going to give this is more than 100-point move.
Yeah.
You know, here to there is more than 100-point move. So when I saw the shift on the 1 minute and it lined up with my time at 10:02 here, just took that. You know what I mean? It gave you multiple times to come in and get that. So, and then once it created here, the reason why it didn't go down this gap is because this is kind of like a 1 minute breaker.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, that's what Real was trying to get it to trade to the 5-minute gap. And that's why I was throwing it out there. Like, look at the 1 minute. It closed above that. That's a breaker.
So we know the 4 hour. Flip through. So this is what the 4 hour. Do you see where I had the line lined up at? Went to a 4 hour bullish PD array and a previous low. So once we do that, then obviously you wanted to see it shift on the 15-minute because there's going to be a continuation. Now you got to shift on the 15-minute. But me, because I want to be first to the party, I see a shift on the 1 minute because I know the 1 minute, we go into this 15-minute target. We go into this high. So I see a shift on this 1 minute. I'm taking it because the 4 hour went to its PD array and reacted. So that's basically it. That actually was pretty smooth.
Yeah, that's your setup, bro. Silver bullet.
Yeah, yeah, and right. And the time lined up with the silver bullet time to change. And this is here, boom.
See,
I was looking at it the whole way up. I saw the 1 minute shift and all. Matter of fact, Marley
Jeremiah said,
You made money?
Ooh.
Yeah, Broderick made some money.
Yeah. Yeah, but I ain't gonna lie, I blew all my PAs this past week again. But it's like I feel like I know me and Sean be in the same fucking boat. We be blowing so many goddamn PAs. It's not even funny. Nigga, I be like on 100 and something, whatever it is. But I know you said something about you last time you got a PA was on 10. I mean, I wasn't that bad, but shit, it seems like I'm blowing a whole lot of PAs, and I don't know. I get frustrated. I feel like the market's been real wicky. Yesterday was wicky as shit. And I started to spiral yesterday because of all the fucking wick. There was no real clear movement yesterday.
Yesterday was nice, bro. Say yesterday was nice for me.
For you?
Yeah, yesterday was for me. Yesterday was nice.
Go ahead, Jarrell. Jarrell said something.
No, it wasn't Jarrell. It was this nigga.
No, Jarrell said you justified something by saying Sean, something like that.
That was Timothy.
I would say it's like Sean.
I'm done.
All right, this was yesterday for me. This right here. This is a 15.
What did James say?
I thought he was sneak dissing you while justifying himself.
Right?
Yeah, you know how niggas do.
You know how it goes. You know what I mean?
So what are you gonna do about it? What up, Broderick?
Blew right through that 15-minute BPR. Blew through that BPR.
I be saying what I'm gonna do all the damn time, and then I'll be fucking it up. So
yeah, you need to share all your screens and when your trades next time. Then how would you accountable?
You see this right here?
That bitch don't do no kind of retrace, man.
All of this, you see all these wicks right here. This is yesterday.
Yeah,
you might have said that was clean for you, but to me, this shit is wicky as fuck. This is 15-minute. All these wicks. This is what can go wick up here all the way the fuck down here. This shit was wicky as fuck.
Were you big boys or micro?
Yeah, see, that's the problem right there.
That was the problem. That was the problem. I said that yesterday. If you're trying to trade NQ in this, and you getting your head smashed.
The big boys fucked me yesterday, bro. Every fucking time. It's like I knew where it was going, but I couldn't take those wicks, bro. The wicks fucking destroyed me.
Man, I was in with 2 to 4 micros on my accounts. Calm and steady.
Man, this bitch
And the
not
whole
coming back, boy.
Yeah, I was trading up all yesterday. It was clean for me on the 5.
It's leaving another 5-minute gap. And bitch not coming back, boy.
So I was on the 5-minute too, Jeremiah, but let me show you.
You was on NQ, so I already know you had a problem.
Yeah, look at this shit. This is fucking NQ 5-minute, bro. This is 5-minute yesterday. This is 8. When we went here, I was taking it up because I saw this, but these wicks came back and clapped me so many times. It's just like, of course, because I was probably leveraged, but you know how we do. We don't listen.
We who? We who? We who? I told you it was clean for me.
9:30, and we say, okay.
Put money in the PAs. I passed the combines. It was clean for me.
And then she keep wanting to retrace back, man. How many fucking times you gonna come back? This shit was all week.
Jeremiah gonna be next to make a request. So the sound like.
I'm working on it. I just, keep my head on the swivel.
I fuck up my request. I was supposed to be cashing out this week, man. Beginning of this week or last week. Fucking around.
Even up there, if you wanted to wait till 10 o'clock, you think you was gonna get a reversal. You got fucked. Or 11 o'clock. She created a gap here on the 5 minute and then came back right through that bitch. Only to turn back around and take your hands back up. Run everything. Everything getting run in this market. Hide your kids, hide your wife. Ain't shit fucking safe.
Nah, man.
Time for you to go back down.
You gotta be patient, bro. You gotta be patient, disciplined, man.
It's okay to do 4 or 5 micros, bro.
I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Every fucking week I do the same fucking thing. I pass 2 combines or 3 combines, get a fucking PA, then blow the bitch the next week.
You still ain't got trades early yet, do you?
No.
And you ain't gotta ask him, AJ, look, if you saying that out your mouth right now, and you saying you hit, look, watch this. Hey, why you don't just do something different this week and trade the micros?
Yeah.
It come the excuse. Wait for it.
Nah, he said he ain't got none. He said after he passed. He said after he passed, he gonna get some new ones.
I'm gonna go ahead and
because again, at the end of the day, you still taking good trades from. I know you're taking good trades, just to leverage, just putting you down. You know what I'm saying? I do the same shit.
I just told somebody this yesterday. I was like, man, I done passed more combines this year than I did in all of last year. And every combine I passed this year, I did it with micros. All last year, I was in NQ trying to pass combines and get PAs. All this year, I've been in micros, and I've been doing 10 times better with half the risk.
Yeah. What's crazy is when I'm in the combines, I be wilding out and passing them. Like for instance, I will go with the momentum trade. Like, oh, okay, we want to get down to this low. I would have probably been in here trying to sell this bitch down.
Did I show you the screenshot of the momentum trader that just lost $500,000?
No.
The momentum trader rips. Top Step TV rips. Just blew all his accounts. All right. That ain't even what this group about. Who else a momentum trader? In this group.
He's doing them with them combines, but not like I said. That's you're building up bad. That's building up scar tissue. Doing that shit.
Bad habits. You building confidence off a bad habit. And then you go in the PA
you
time
build
the same
confidence
thing.
off a bad habit. You always worked last time, and that's the same because all we doing is doing the same shit over and over.
Yeah.
So if you keep saying you're doing the same shit,
doing the same shit over and over,
you're doing the same shit over and over. You're gonna keep doing the same shit over and over, bro.
I've been successfully doing the same thing
right
over and over.
because every time I see that I could like pad my stats with my freaking PA, and I'm like, oh shit, she running for this target. Now I'm trying to momentum trade this shit. Instead of just wait until how I normally trade, you know. So today,
bro, you need a trading journal, man. For real.
Today I actually write it down, to be honest with you.
Nah, trade Zella, bro.
Right here next to me that I kind of write down, but I've been kind of getting away from it. Today after work, I came and I marked on my chart. And I'm like, okay, this is what I want to see. And to be honest with you, I feel like that was better for me to do that instead of getting in here and being like, you know what? I tried not to go with the bias only because I feel like I get stuck on my bias. Like I wanted to go up.
Or you could tell
someone gotta have a bias.
Somebody just don't want to.
Say it outside. Say it out loud.
I gotta have two. I gotta have two biases. Look,
I mean, he still gets
high time frame bearish right here.
Want to do
this line right here. But if it went up there and reacted, there's midnight, There's this high time frame bearish. There's RTH right up
Instead
here.
of trying to justify what you
That might be a target to go back down, but
the same
but
stuff
this
that you're
is-
doing
but since
every
it
week.
came here first, I
Right.
would- okay, boom.
That's why you gotta have a bias. Like and say it out loud. If you're wrong, you're wrong. You might be right. Shit, it don't matter. But at the end of the day, like when the market opened, it left this 5-minute gap. I'm thinking it was gonna trade to the gap and then go where it's at right now. Because I'm trading the same way Jeremiah do. 8:30. I got the line now. We got the lows to the left at 8:30. I got the highs to the left of 8:30. It wanted to go a little bit lower before it went to the highs before 8:30.
Went lower.
That's why I was saying, like, it's a shift. If it shift on the one, we gonna go higher.
Well, at open, she took the 8:30 because I see I have the 8:30 candle right here on the 5-minute. So she opened right here. She left a 5-minute. I thought for sure we would have been up here because she left this 5-minute gap. She went up here. She took the 8 o'clock highs, 8:30, 8 o'clock. She took 8 o'clock highs, then retraced. And I'm like, okay, boom. We shifted on the 5. We're gonna come up here and take off. Nah. She
wanted this swing low that I had marked up. She wanted this daily low at 748, bro. And that's once she took that low, and like you said, that's a higher time frame low. So once it shift on the one, that's why I'm like, it's an SMT on the 5-minute as well, too. So that's another reason to buy it up. If you look on the NQ, this 5-minute candle took the lows. The 10 o'clock candle, it took the lows. The other two didn't.
So, Roger, you still gonna play trade big boys, or you gonna go to micros?
You better go and some micro.
For the micros.
Okay.
He gonna do what he been doing, man. He gonna do what he been doing. You ain't gonna stop until you get sick and tired.
Yeah, that's
you gotta get sick and tired and disgusted with yourself. Until you get to that point, bro, you gonna keep doing what you've been doing.
I have not traded a big boy on my PAs since 3 months.
Since you came in here and you was sick and tired of doing the same old shit, you came in here and you was disgusted with yourself. Like you was sick and tired. You was at your breaking point. You sound like you wanted to quit.
You see the shit work. You see it, but the leverage is beating you. You seeing the trade. You knowing they gonna play out. The leverage is beating you. You can't take a pullback. Or you taking too much. Like I'm talking to you like I'm talking to myself, bro. Like I said yesterday, I made a mistake of taking a trade on the NQ. It was going up. I should close it. I did. That bitch started retracing. It went down 600. I swear to God, I closed it. That bitch went right in the direction it was gonna go though. But the leverage is beating me, bro. I'm like, I had to close it. You feel me? And it went right in the direction that it was gonna go. It's just you can't take them trades, bro. For real. So now you doing things like that. Okay, they got $600 loss. Now you still playing big boys. What type of stop loss you got?
So sometimes I ask myself about this right here.
Now we gotta ask yourself about playing big boys.
Come on, Ralph. Come on, Ralph, man. He gonna keep getting you an excuse. But why you doing the same thing, bro? Ain't nobody finna agree with you, bro.
When you talk like that, though, you're talking to your self-conscious too, man. You
I know.
You ain't gonna change.
He ain't gonna change because he keep giving us excuses. Like I'm not finna baby you, bro. We grown men. I'm not finna baby you, bro. You keep giving us excuses for why you want to continue doing the same thing, and everybody is saying you got too much leverage on. Everybody's saying you got too much leverage on, bro.
Man, you're right. It's risk management.
That's it.
Hey, look, man, you got.
It ain't like you don't know how to trade, bro. It ain't like you don't know ICT concepts. You know everything we know. You just got too much leverage on. Simple as that, bro.
You got to be honest and say how much money you really got enough. 2,500. That's it.
You got to take accountability, bro.
Come on,
man. You change in your mind.
$200 a day. You gotta be happy with that. I'm happy. Sure, I made $200. I'm done.
After everybody get done saying, if you don't say okay, you ain't gonna change. If you come with another excuse, you ain't gonna change. All you supposed to say is okay. Real shit, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna
I
do
can't
that.
baby you, bro. We
That
grown
nigga's
men,
neck,
right?
man. Stay on that nigga's neck, man.
I'm telling you, I'm not finna baby you, bro. We grown men, bro. Ain't nobody. Nah, I'm not finna baby you. Go to micros, or keep doing the same thing. Keep getting the same results. One or the other.
Would you make like 900 a day at your job, Roger? 800 a day? I know you're aiming for more than that.
Shit.
That's another thing too. Like if
I
you
know
make
you're
some
aiming
good
for
money
more
at
than
your
that.
We said this 2
Roger-
weeks ago. Go ahead,
Roger got a
continue.
good job, man. That
Exactly.
should have spoiled you too. That should have spoiled you because you know you can go back and just buy another combine.
Exactly.
Like when you're making money already, you know.
You make
Shit,
good
it ain't
money.
nothing to
That's-
just- it ain't nothing to
that's
just
why
buy
this-
another combine.
That's why you be trying to make so much.
though, man. That shit catches up to you, and you start to feel the
results of that shit.
you
You
start
gonna
to
keep
feel
doing
the
it.
pain now when you fucking having to rack up these fucking credit cards. You're like, God damn, I gotta pay all this shit back.
Yeah. You get your paycheck and that motherfucker gone.
Yeah. I don't like spending, a quarter or a third or nothing, any of that of my fucking paycheck on this shit.
Yeah, well, that's
why you break it down and tell yourself, gee, this is the same thing I had to do.
We
Like I
all
said, I
had to
still
do
be
it.
blowing shit up and shit like that too. I just don't say shit.
We all had to have that coming to Jesus, bro.
But at the end of the day,
We all
bro,
had to have it.
giving these people $130, you never have to give them nothing again. There you go, right there, bro. Like, and that's just the truth, right there. You know, people $130, folks. If you want to use your leverage, you got to buy a bigger account.
Or get multiple accounts and then still trade micros. Just have more accounts. I have like three PAs. I trade micros with it. $100 on each, 300. I ain't mad.
That's money.
Brother, set yourself on a weekly budget on what you can spend. See how that feels. Like I told myself 100 to 200 a week max. So that's what's that? Almost 600 to 800 a month.
Yeah,
That include PA fees and renewals. So I had to go in and cancel like 15 accounts, bro. It hurt, but I had to do it. Like now I'm stuck with one PA, 2 combine renewed this week, and I'm just like trading. Like, all right, I gotta wait for this PA request. I can't activate another combine or a PA until I get approved for this request. Or I gotta wait till next week. Like that's the limits I'm putting on myself now because it's just too much.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm trying to I will try to put myself on some timeout. Like, don't be going and just running the credit card and buying more accounts. You just, nigga, you got timeout. Whatever accounts you get renewed by automatically, that's what you got.
The timeout is NQ. MNQ. That's the timeout forever.
When I had that talk with Sean and I realized that's what y'all was doing, that was an eye opener for me. Cause I wasn't doing that. Y'all buying them on credit with a credit card. That's why it seemed like nothing. That's why you just blow them bitches in like it's nothing. If you paying your cash for it, you're gonna treat it a little different. You buying them on credit, you're gonna treat them different. If you pay cash for it, you would probably treat it different.
I think most people are. You probably an anomaly.
If I probably am. That's probably why I've been babying my own combines all these years. Because I've been paying cash for them, so I treat them different.
Right. Then I
got buying them on credit. It's whatever on credit. I pay this off next month or whatever. Yeah, that was an eye opener right there when I had that talk with Sean. I'm like, oh, yo, you buying them on credit. That's why. That's why I baby mine, yo. Whatever, I ain't gonna even give it, but I know I baby mine. Well, that's how I used to be, definitely. But now I ain't even. I feel like I'm babying it with micros, but I'm getting more consistency. I'm getting more green days, less red days.
Yeah, same way, same thing.
I went from 1 NQ to 2-3 micros, and I'm doing 10 times better than I was last year. All the last year. In these first couple months, I'm doing better than all the last year.
Once you stop the trailing, especially with some of these Apex accounts, you make 500 a week, you can pull out the next week. There's 8 days, and yeah, once you stop trailing, you should be good. That's what I'm trying to do.
Didn't they change it now in like 5 days? Or
Yes, 5 days. Even better than 5 days. Even better.
What's 5 days?
5 days take up to
The Apex changed to 5 days?
No,
I
it's
thought
8.
it was Bullocks.
It's 8.
Apex is 8. Bullocks is 5.
Yeah. Bullocks only 5 now?
Yeah, it's 5 now.
Since
Apex
when?
is 8. Huh?
Last week?
Yeah, they had a new contract.
Change.
You know, you gotta check Ralph and his shit. He'd be wrong.
Damn, so do.
Me verify
Ralphie
right
told
now.
me
But yeah.
2,600. Sean told me you need 3,600 to get a payout on Bull
Yeah.
Knots.
Yeah, you gotta go above the threshold, the initial threshold. Yeah.
I think we finna trade back up to the daily open. Hey Jeremiah, you see how the daily open it turned around yesterday? At what was that, 182?
Nah. I don't know. I don't remember what you're talking about. Show me what you're talking about. Say the daily open
yesterday
turned around.
when
Oh,
the
you talking about?
markets-
Oh, you talking about? We went to the NWAG and then turned around.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That was my
daily
target.
open.
181.
Yeah, so that's like today, the daily open. You know what I'm saying? Want to be mindful of that level because it could trade back up there because right now the daily candle is bearish.
Right.
So it could trade back up there, hit that, turn back around, or it could go above it and keep going higher. So that's why that level is a very mindful level that I keep it. You know what I'm saying? That I be looking at or looking for.
Yeah, I got the 10 o'clock open marked off too for the direction of this 2-hour candle.
Right.
But the only entry they gave was the silver bullet gap. You know, that ain't really my
Right. That ain't really it.
my entry. If they'd have came a little lower to the order block, I'd have trusted it a little more.
Yeah. But right now, like if you're looking on the 5 minute, you could almost consider this a breaker. But I don't want to say that these wicks is the reason that, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got it marked off. 861. Ignoring all this 1 minute stuff.
Because at the end of the day, looking at the one, it still ain't closed below no green candles anyway.
Oh yeah. Looking at the one, it make you want to take it up from here. But I'm gonna wait on the 5. I'll take no trades. I ain't gonna lose no sleep by missing trades today. I promise.
15 minute finna give you a 15-minute gap. So
I won't lose no sleep by missing a trade today.
yeah, I think the NQ just gonna give you all these wicks and keep going higher, bro.
Good.
Looking at the 5 minute and then looking at the 1, but I'm done. Anyway.
Especially without news, nah. It could happen, but I can definitely see it. 15-minute
Yeah, that's what I'm
candle in
looking.
5 seconds.
Yeah, and then look. Yeah.
No 15-minute
Yeah,
candle.
ran Broderick away already.
Hey man.
No, he ain't going nowhere.
I say everything. I say with love,
James,
man.
what he spent a
For
week.
real,
James, what you spend a week, James, on combines?
everything I said was all with love. I just have a harsh tone. I have a harsh tone when it comes to men, because I can't be soft with you.
Yeah, no, I need you to be honest
I
and
can't
open
be
and
soft.
positive.
You're not a little girl. You're not a young woman. You're a man. Listen, I know what it takes for a man to listen, especially when you steady trying to give us excuses.
Yeah,
After you
I
just
do that shit
said
too. And when you talk, I had to learn that a long time ago, man. When you give yourself excuses, man, you're subconsciously programming yourself. You either gonna never do it, you ain't gonna change if you keep giving yourself excuses.
And one thing I know over experience, dog, sometimes for a man to change his habit, Well, you gotta get disgusted with what you're doing. Like
Yeah.
being upset or being disappointed or being a little down. Nah, you gotta be sick and fucking tired of doing the shit that you're doing. Like you gotta be like, man, I'm sick and fucking tired of this shit. I'm sick of this shit.
Push.
When you start talking like that, you'll change. If you're giving us excuses, you ain't trying to change. You still think you're right.
Yeah.
Oh, man, that's any man.
Yeah, you're wrong. So.
Hit my first target. Close that gap. Should have got it right there. Even that 15-minute bearish gap.
Are you trying to get up there?
Yeah, I'm trying to get London highs. It's 1974, but I'm about to take my first micro off right here at 41.
And you was buying in this 1 minute over here in these 5 minute wicks.
Yeah, now when it closed above, I had got in it on that 5 minute. Shit.
Talking about like 910, 909.
Yeah, down there, yeah, around 860.
Okay.
No, I was got a little. Yeah, 45. It didn't come when it closed.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah,
like the 10, 18 candle.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The 1050. Yeah.
Up in that area.
Mm-hmm.
Dre, you got a brother?
Who, me?
Yeah. Yeah, little brother, older brother.
Little brother.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's there.
I was just thinking, cause shit, the way I try to like talk sense into somebody is like the way I would talk to my brother. My brother's my homeboy, my brother, who I call my brother.
Oh yeah, shit. That's how I be talking to my partners. Yeah, I got one that do the same thing, boy. I be on that nigga ass.
I know I talk rough, but I say it all with love, man, cause I ain't telling you nothing wrong.
Hell no, you not though.
I ain't wrong.
Oh yeah, if I didn't care about you,
just might. And sometimes sometimes I wanted to. I wanted to, cause that's the only way you gonna go back. Yeah, that nigga, he said, yeah, you gonna, if they don't touch it, shit, you'll dismiss one ear, not the other. Nah, I'm gonna make sure my words hit you.
And like you said, but if you don't say nothing, you don't like else. Why? Man, I go on a rant. Why I get to talking like a motherfucker.
If I didn't care about you, I wouldn't see nothing.
Straight up. Who cares? We all on here for a reason. We all gotta win. Oh, we ain't. Look, come on now.
Oh yeah, when y'all be on my ass, I appreciate that. I ain't gonna get mad. I know I need to change. But if y'all don't,
no, nigga, you get offline, you run away.
Oh yeah, I do be getting up a lot, man. I don't want to see them charge somewhere after I done fucking took an L.
Shit, fuck that. I'll take my L and still be looking, man. It is what it is, man. You think just gotta shit.
Yeah, I always come back and back test, but I don't want to
see it like that.
Yeah, I don't want to see it. I don't want to go buy another combine. I don't want to give me another reason to try to press the button.
No, I'm past now. I ain't gonna be real honest. I'm past that point.
If that's what you can do, if that's what you got to do, like have self-restraint, then that's what you got to do.
Yeah.
Know yourself, bro. You got to know yourself. For real. That's what you got to do.
15-minute reach race.
Like my shift for you.
Is this the shift on the? Is this the shift on the one, or maybe not in the big shift, but or hey, that's what I said. It was coming back to this 15-minute gap. Both.
Yeah, I got it marked off. I got the 5 minutes still marked off. Hold on. Yep.
So if it closed below here, that's your shift. Come back, and it did close below.
And since we don't have news, they'll probably give you a real.
This and it's the
50%
SMT
retreat.
at the high. It's the SMT on the 5 minute too, y'all. So this is just short. Somebody's gonna take that bitch. I ain't gonna care. Well, maybe. Because like I said, it's the SMT on the 5 minute. The YM didn't take the highs. And on the 5, if we close below that candle, it might be good.
I can see them coming back to 839. That's 50%.
Yeah, 50% of this 15 minute, like folks trade. Mm-hmm.
That's just, I say that because we don't have any news.
All right.
We don't have any news. The retrace will be real sometimes. We had news, we'd probably be at midnight by now. Or London High. And it's 11 o'clock. You know what 11 o'clock gonna do. Get you the target of the retrace. We went into a 1 hour gap. Hit a 1 hour order block from this morning. Gap. Line up on the 5. That could be the short on the 1.
Deontay coming here or not? I haven't seen him.
Not since I've been on. I got on around 10. I ain't seen him. Brother on left us, man. He said he don't fool with NQ right now. He trade gold right now.
You don't want to hear
it. Bro, say
you don't want to hear it,
man. He ain't fooling with NQ. Hey.
Yeah, I don't want to hear it, man. I don't want to hear it. I'm gonna keep doing what I do.
Yeah, did another one, man. I don't know, man. I'm tired of. I don't know, bro. I don't know what did.
Yeah, something usually gotta change. Like for me, man, I've blown so many PAs, so many combines. I got to a point where I'm like, bro, I'm not buying no more damn combines until I get a payout. So I would like literally baby my PA and stuff. And you know I don't do that.
Mm-hmm.
And that's where I find
being consistent. Like when I just baby it, either with micros or I just leverage less, I just stick with one contract and stuff. And I'm just way more consistent. I get bigger runs. I can hold for bigger runs.
Why you ain't say all this when bro was here? You know he needed to hear this.
I was cooking, bro. I was cooking my breakfast.
I was gonna say, come on, man. We was preaching in here, man. We had it going. We was in the pool pit, man.
I jumped in and said, "Stay at his neck, man."
I heard you say, "Stay on his ass." I stayed on his ass too. But he definitely need to hear this right here. Though. Continue. I need to hear it too.
I was cooking, so I was making my breakfast. But yeah, that's like you said, bro. Like once you get sick and tired, man. Like you mentioned about running up on your credit cards, man. I don't run up my credit card so high. And I'm like, bro, why am I running up my credit card? And then when I get a nice payout, I gotta pay all that crap out. I'm like, I feel like I just worked all this for no damn reason just to pay off the credit card. So I'm like, bro, I ain't buying no more damn combines, bro. I'm gonna buy my combines with cash, and I'm gonna baby this crap, bro.
All right. So what I said did make sense. What I said did make sense because when, like I say, when I had that talk with Sean, he told me he was putting them on the card. I was like, man, that ain't even crossed my mind. It never even crossed my mind to do it with a card. I've been paying cash, and that's why I've been babying these accounts.
Yeah, that's why I did. I was running up them credit cards and stuff, and I think it was one. Oh man, hold on, man. Let me go ahead and confess. It was one. I ran up to like 20K, bro. 20K. Yeah. I ended up paying that crap, but I'm like, bro, that 20K could have been in my bank account, bro. But I'm paying back all this crap now.
Right.
I was like, man, I'm gonna buy this thing. So like on my business, in my business account, I just put enough money to buy 1 or 2 combines, and then enough money to pay the PA, and that's it. Like, because like you said, your credit card, once you blow that crap, you can go right back, swipe.
Get another one because it ain't coming out your pocket. It's not finna. You're not finna lose. You're not finna miss a meal.
Yeah,
you ain't finna miss no meal off that. You just swipe that card and worry about it later in 30 days.
Right. You do it on your debit card. If there ain't no money in there, you ain't buying nothing. So that's like a thing. Like I guess you can say I don't know, stop or whatever for me not to go crazy. Especially when they got them sales going, like $16 or whatever. Oh man, I'm like over here looking for who got the next sale.
That's why with Apex, it ain't been one time with Apex that I had 20 accounts at the same time. And I might be the only one that can say that in this group. I ain't never tried 20 accounts at the same time. I had 10 before, but never 20. Cause I'm not putting all that on my card for me to blow them bitches. Come on, man.
For you to do 20, bro, you gotta literally how I did it was
I've never done that, bro. I ain't gonna lie. The most I'm doing is 6. I ain't never had 10 accounts all at once. Hell no. I did
it once, trying to follow behind.
Nah. I didn't do 10 of them bitches. I ain't get no fuck day with $16. I did not get 10 of them bitches, boy. No, I don't want all that. Because I'm already thinking about how I gotta pay all them bitches. Even though they can sit to the side and
right. That's why I don't do it until I get a payout. At least 1 or 2 payouts, man. If I get 1 or 2 payouts, then I'm like, all right, I can go ahead and get it.
No, sir, yeah, like, nah.
But I work myself up to it, but I don't go out and just buy 10 and try to pass 10.
Mm-hmm.
I said minimum, maybe 5. I try to pass 5. Because once you freaking, man, you get 10, you got to pay them PA fees. Man, that's almost 1,000.
Mm-hmm.
And you going to blow that thing. And imagine you blow that thing the next day.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah, especially, right. Especially if you ain't, if you ain't right on the journey, bro. It's a journey, for. If you ain't right on the journey, for, it's tough.
But if you just did that with a credit card, and it don't matter because I make $100 and something a year. I know I'm finna get this money back on this next paycheck, and I can do it all over again. Yeah, then you
That
just
ain't right, though.
become numb to it. And if after
Yeah.
you've been doing it so long, come on, we've been doing this since 2022, bro. That's 3 years.
Yeah.
That's a hard habit. If you done built that habit, that's a hard habit to break. Especially if I'm trying to talk to you all calm and soft, like, bro, it's gonna be, it's gonna be okay. We just gonna do this right here. Nah, man. This a 3-year habit we trying to break right here. I'm gonna have to cuss you out about this shit.
Damn, that's crazy to hear you say that. This a 3-year habit a motherfucker got right here, boy.
Right.
Damn.
You trying to get somebody to smoke cigarettes, trying to talk to them all calm. They've been doing it for 3 years. Nah, man.
And shit.
We've been doing this since February 2022. We've been on this journey.
Yeah, I started
And
January
you ain't changed yet.
2022.
You ain't realized you need to change something yet. Come on, bro.
And then shit, I know how long we had this group though. How long we been popping?
And everything I'm saying, everything that I'm trying to do to him, it's the same shit that Marlon.
2 years.
It's almost a year now.
Right.
Yeah, I probably been in here about a year. But I'm saying I'm trying to beat what into his head the same shit Marley had to beat into my head. Bro had to beat that shit in my head over and over. Steady telling me micros, and then every time I trade micro, what I say, man, Marley, I just got 100 points in micros, man. What the fuck I'm gonna do with this $200? I just got 50 points. I made $100. All that shit just wasn't adding up to me. It wasn't making sense to me until I started doing 3, 4, 5 micros, and then I'm like, okay, all right. Yeah,
I mean, ICT said it too. ICT is like, we don't understand the idea of compound.
Right.
Like, that's the thing. Like we see micros like, oh man, I'm not making thousands of dollars, but we're not understanding the idea of compounding. Like we're gonna $200 here, $200 next day, 200. Like it just stacks up, and then before you know it, you got 5K in there.
But it ain't even the fact that it's 5K in it. It's now you got more to lose. That's the whole grand scheme of this shit. You know what I'm saying? It's you gotta build the consistency, and then like he said, you shooting for the same distance. All you doing is risking the same amount,
right?
You know what I'm saying? The same percent, nigga. So from $1,000 to 10,000, you're risking the same percent. You're just making more. You're going the same distance,
right?
Doing the same shit. That's the whole thing. That's why I said is if you train, you train the big boys, you're gonna take the trades and you can lose some and then get winners. But how many losses can you take if you train the big boys and all you have is 2,500 to lose?
Right. And Jeremiah has said it plenty of times. Like he'll take a couple losses, but he's like in his mind, he's like, man, I can make that back with one good move on micros.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Big boys, man, you sweating, boy. You tight.
Yeah, you tight.
You tight. You down 400. You like, damn, if I lose another 400, that's $800.
Exactly.
I lose another one, that's 1,200, man.
But understanding, like, if we just slow down and take a deep breath, we wouldn't need, like, and if you were training micros, you probably wouldn't even be down 400 in you know what I'm saying, in one day. You know what I'm saying? Train the micros, just slow down a little bit, talk a little bit. Hey, just, yeah.
Nah, you can be down 400.
You can. But here's the thing, though. With 400, that means you taking stupid trades. Now you got to step back.
Didn't you just hear what I said? So that's why I said you really, like, if you just take that deep breath, you really shouldn't even go down 400. Not playing them, trading the micros. 2, 3 micros, one trade. That's close to 150, 160. You know what I'm saying? Depending on your stop, or you know what I'm saying, what you trade. Your next trade should be a banger. I would assume. If you take a deep breath, take a step back, hold on, why did I just lose? What's a 5-minute chart? Big, whatever. But you can definitely lose if you trade the micros too, though. Like,
yeah, you can definitely spaz out. But then that's when you just taking stupid trade. You just pressing the button. You're not actually taking setups.
Mm-hmm.
That's the difference. The thing is, the micros gives you it gives you a little bit of chance to realize what's going on. Like, yo, this market is not setting up right. I've already lost, 5 trades. Let me stop, or let me lock myself out for a couple hours and then come back later, or the PM session or something like that. Right. Yeah, you can't do that with big boys. You lose 5, man.
It's over. And so, big boys, by that time, you like, man, I got one trade left, man.
I got
one trade left, and this account blown.
man.
And you ain't even trying to wait till tomorrow. You ain't even trying to wait till tomorrow. You like, man, it only got $200 left in this account now. One trade left. Fuck it. I'm pressing the button. Door blue.
I'm talking about just pressing it for no reason though. Just pressing.
No reason.
I'm talking about ain't no order block, no fair value, no shit, nothing off the 5 minute. Motherfucker just fuck out of here, man. This shit going to blowing. But yeah.
Yep.
I gotta get it, man. Nigga, emotions, folks, get the best of you. Oh man, this shit. Well, I know what the fuck it's supposed to do.
Right.
But it ain't on your time. You know what I'm saying? That be the whole grand scheme of like it's not on your time.
Especially when
it's gonna do it. And it's crazy. It's gonna do it. And it's like I said, I was in the short with the micros. I was still holding it in there. I closed it, but it went down to 478. It just you had to deal with what it was giving you.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I was talking to somebody yesterday, and they was talking about I can't wait till I get to the point where I no longer be spiraling. And I was like, we ain't gonna never get to that point. Spiraling is part of it. Yeah, you gonna spiral, even if they come a year apart, 3 months apart. Like spiraling is part of the game.
Right. Like even ICT has said it. He's been doing this for 30 plus years, and he still has the urge to spiral.
Exactly. Spiraling is in this game. Like you still gonna spiral. You just gotta manage your risk. You can spiral with 2 micros without blowing your account. You can't spiral in NQ and think you finna have it's you gone. You spiraling in NQ, you gotta get another account. Get lucky. Or get lucky. That's it.
I've been fixing to buy new accounts every day. I feel like when I ain't got nothing to trade, this shit really like a gambling addiction. Like that's what it feels like. It's a true addiction.
You itching to buy another account. I can feel you.
That's when you just go on.
Trade sim. Trade sim.
Say trade sim. Same thing. Press the button. Saying you gotta trade.
Sometimes it's different for everybody though, Marla. Because sometimes you can trade sim and you don't treat it the same, and then you come back in your account with that sim mind frame, with that because you just was trading sim, so you still gotta, our brains, the brain is it's a wild thing. So you gotta know you gotta know yourself. Maybe sim, you can't do it.
Sim ain't the same.
Exactly.
No, the A is definitely not. I know, but you got to urge. You want to press buttons because sim. You tell yourself you just made $60,000.
When you make that money on sim, then you be feeling like, damn, I could have did that and this, and this.
Hey, I trade combines the same way. You're gonna feel the same way in the gun. Man, I could have just did the PA and then I could have just padded. Like you gonna do that shit nobody's ever satisfied with nothing we do. Like you said, you just gotta be grateful, be content, and shit, be cool. Man, I made $100. I could have made 1,000. Yeah, could have lost 6 instead of losing $60.
That's why I ain't do none of that 1 minute stuff right there. All that stuff was scalp.
It's turning around.
Yeah, on the 5. We just shifting on the 5.
Oh, okay. Oh, so did it close below? I didn't even look at the drive.
E and Q did, not the other 2.
Right.
And it's 11 o'clock.
Oh yeah, this your time, G.
It's my time to get out the trade.
This your time.
If you in going long, 11 o'clock finna retrace on.
Hey, this that tough part of the 2-hour candle, bro. That's the brutal part right here. Is it gonna get you that continuation, or is it gonna bullshit you?
20 seconds, new 15-minute candle. Run up, give you another wick. Because the other two didn't do it. Just hanging out, man. I'm gonna shut this thing down. My little 20.
Or James, he's still on here.
What you want?
I'm trying to see when we both hitting that charge back, man.
Hey man, my finger is steady on that button, boy. I'm giving them till this evening, boy.
Sound like 50 Cent.
Till this evening, boy.
Sound like 50.
Right when I get off work, man. If I don't see an email,
yeah, my man.
Charge back everything, man. There's some I can't charge back, but I'm charging back the PA I paid for. Charging back the freaking.
How far are you going back?
Bonds. Well, I can't go that far back though. I think I can only go because I haven't. The only let me see.
You don't already.
There's only 3 combines that I bought, which was the 300Ks during that that rip, and then the PA fee that I paid. That's about it. So it's only like four transactions. The other ones I can't go that far back. So
then you're done with them?
I'm done, bro. Bastards, bro.
Shine, man. Don't they gave you the bad news, man? What it is? Why you coming here talking about?
No, not yet.
Okay.
I know. I was like, why is he asking me that? It was
why you asking that, man?
It's still early.
He wants to deny that nigga, man.
James told me 48 hours.
Yeah, 48 hours.
James was the first 48. They caught that nigga.
First 48.
like the series. First 48. He got. But James, they gave you the most money ever, bro. Why are you treating them like that?
I don't give a damn. They gave me the most money, bro. Why they treating me like that? That's like the dumbest rule ever, bro. Like, now imagine, like, for example, like I know Jeremiah, like he babies his thing. Imagine if he had took that trade, right? And maybe the 6 contract by accident. And maybe he thought it was 6 micros and he made that. And then it took him 20 days or whatever just to get that one payout. And nigga's gonna wipe all that day, bro. Hey, that is retarded, bro.
And every day after that.
Every day after that, bro. That is retarded.
That's the crazy thing, because on the thing say if it happened on day 1, then they're gonna take you back to day 1.
All the way to day 1. That's bro.
And imagine if it took you 20 days to request the payout, they're gonna take you back to day 1. Man, I'm crashing out.
Nah.
Nah,
I'm
bro.
crashing out. I need your address. Coming to see. I'm
Wait,
coming to
hold
see
on. You
somebody.
say what they gonna do? I'm confused. Hey,
On,
what
on
they doing?
on the day that you do the violation, they taking your account back to the day before and the day before. So if you do a violation on day 2 and it take you 20 days to request a payout, they taking you back to day 1.
So you're gonna be back at 50,000.
Whatever you was at when
Whatever
the day
you
before
was
the
at the end
violation.
of day 1.
What? They did that?
That's
What?
the new
Yeah.
rule.
Apex?
Yeah.
Apex, yeah.
Oh man, hold on,
Apex.
man. I gotta hold on.
That's
Where
their new
Miley
rule.
been, man? Where you been this whole time? Last week you talked about this.
Huh? Hey, no, I know what he was saying, but I didn't know that they reset the account all the way back to the
They
date.
reset the
I didn't know
account,
that
bro.
part, bro. Like I was kind of lost on that part.
Yeah, it's
like,
one thing
what?
that they take the profit away
Yeah,
from
bro.
the violation that happened. No, they're
Damn.
gonna take it back from the violation, and every day after they're gonna take all that. But they didn't even tell you had a violation until you request the payout.
Until you request a payout.
They don't even tell you about the
stupidest
violation
thing
until
ever,
you
bro.
request a payout. Yeah, man. They wild for
Stupidest
that.
thing ever, bro.
So,
I'm like, nah, bro.
Jane, what you see in a Facebook, what you find out? What people talking?
Man, them niggas deleted my post. Hey, I'm telling you, bro, by this evening, bro, I'm spamming their Facebook. I'm reporting that ish. And I'm gonna be hella pellets today.
What'd you say?
I posted, I'm like, bro, so you need to tell me. So here's what I put. And I showed that screenshot. I'm like, so you need to tell me that if you get a violation on day 1 or 2, and then they don't tell you that you got a violation, they wait till you make a payout, they wiped all your profits out. I'm like, and then I said, what type of BS is this? And then some people don't even know. Some people were asking me like, yo, like what? Like they didn't even know that crap either. I'm like, nah, bro. And then there was this one stupid ass nigga talking about, oh, take accountability, bro. You broke a rule. Shut that your ass up,
So that's a
man.
rule. They gonna take your profits. If that's a rule, if you violate.
Apparently.
What?
You had to read the agreement.
See, you just sound like me. Wait, hold on. What?
So let me give you an example. If I make 55,000 and I do 55,000 on a PA and I make a violation, it's going back to 50K.
No, it's on the day that you do.
Day.
Yeah, depending on the day that you made the violation. I'll give you my example. My example is I made a violation on the second day, right? So my account on the second day, or on the first day, was $1,300. I had $1,300 in my account. I did not know I had a violation. I didn't even know you had to use less than 5 contracts then till you reach the threshold. I didn't even know that was a rule. So I'll take accountability for that, right?
I didn't know that either.
Exactly. I didn't know that either. But I'll take accountability for that. I'm like, all right, I didn't know that and stuff. But on the day of the violation was on my second day. I did not know I had a violation. And then I kept trading. I got to my 8th day, requested a payout. These niggas said, oh, you did a violation on the second day using 6 contracts. So I went back and looked. I'm like, oh, I did. I'm like, it might have been a mistake. I don't know and stuff, because when I'm looking at all my other trades was like 2, 3 contracts and stuff. So it could have been like just an accident of me pressing the button twice or whatever. So then when you continue reading the violation, it says, oh, on the day of the violation, they're wiping out the profits that you made for that day and all the days beforehand. So from the second day or after the violations, so from the second day to the 8th day, all my profits is gone. That was about $5,500 that I had in that mug. They wiped all my shit off. So I'm like, nah, fuck y'all, bro.
And then you send an email and they haven't responded yet?
They have yet to respond, bro. They got till this evening, bro, and I'm charging back all my shit.
They got till this evening.
I'm charging back all my shit, bro.
They did the same thing to you, Sean?
Did you?
Sean's waiting.
Wait.
They did the same thing?
Man, that's not funny,
Sean's
bro.
waiting.
That
Sean
ain't funny.
requested his payout what today or yesterday or something like that.
Yeah,
Sean's waiting.
last night. Yeah.
Dang, that's tough. That's tough.
Niggas wiped out 5,000. I'm like, nah, nigga.
That's tough.
I'm charging
I'm-
all my shit back, yo.
It's up. I don't have my hopes up. After hearing what happened to you.
That's like so retarded. And I remember this nigga, that stupid nigga CEO was like, "Oh, we implemented a system. If you have a violation, we'll message you or email you, let you know that you have a violation before you request a payout, so you don't have to get denied and try to fix it before requesting." Man, I ain't get no damn email. Man, nah, bro. Niggas scam me, bro. Charging back all my shit. I don't care. They close my accounts, man.
Oh, let's go ahead.
It's not like they're the only ones in the field, man. I hope they company crash, man.
Like Top Step.
That's probably gonna happen soon too.
Top Step stopped you from using contracts more than you're supposed to.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Exactly.
If you try to use more than you're supposed to, they won't even let you get in the trade.
Exactly. StopSet actually has a system where if you go more than, like, if you're not past a threshold, you can only use 2 contracts or whatever and stuff. Like, you can't go 3, 4, 5 contracts and stuff. I'm like, why don't y'all got that crap on?
Andrew Bullnut's got a system where you can see if you got 40%. Apex got enough money to make that system.
They ain't got nothing on. They don't want to pay niggas, man.
Yeah, they
and
want
especially
Mm-hmm.
they don't want to pay niggas.
They
man.
don't have it because
Like
they
that-
don't have to have it. That's why. Ain't no regulations in this shit. Yeah.
That's why I'm like, I hope ICT goes into Apex and just bankrupts some niggas, man.
Yeah.
Bankrupts this nigga, man.
And he said
He's gonna use what, 10 people or whatever, 10 or 5 people, and he gonna give them trades and they gonna take it. I'm gonna see how much money y'all niggas got, man.
Is that really a thing? He said that.
Yeah, go
he
check his
said that.
Twitter.
He said that Saturday. He also said he's gonna win the Robbins Cup, so you know.
Yeah, true. That's true.
Yeah, but he said that Saturday. Because they won't let him do it. They said they closed his account when he tried to trade with a prop firm. Close his account. And his son account.
Yeah, they found out his son account?
Yeah, that's what
Wait,
he said.
Top Step or
I don't
another
know what
prop? I
company.
know his son had Top Step.
I don't know what company, but he did say they closed. He said, like, I guess he emailed somebody or talked with somebody, and he was just saying that he's not trading the account, it's his son's account, but he's helping his son learn how to trade, and they closed it.
Oh,
Yeah,
I thought that was like a brokerage account. I thought that was. I don't know. I gotta go back and listen to that because I remember him saying something. I don't remember if it was a prop firm though.
His son had Top Step.
Yeah, I remember his son had Top Step. Even when he had made a payout, got in a payout, they were like, "Oh, congratulations!" Like they shouted him out on.
Yeah, I remember that.
Something.
He got more than one son.
That's true, but I think only one of them is really serious though.
Both of them got started. Well, he ain't said nothing about him. Well, I ain't heard too much about him this year. But I remember hearing that part on one of the Twitter spaces. We ain't got no news, bro. I don't trust none of my stuff. Came back to the 5-minute order block.
James, I'm hitting refresh on my email like Apex, y'all gonna respond today? What's up?
No, they're not gonna respond to you till the next day, bro. Trust me. You ain't even gotta stress about it.
Did you send him a follow-up email for the original ticket?
Bro, I sent him like 2 emails, bro. I sent him the first email. I sent him was when they first like what was it? Hold on, I gotta look at it. Like first I had gotten an email that said that my thing was denied, yada yada. And then they sent me another email that I can reply to that was a more detailed, that was saying like, oh, this is where in your violation. That's the screenshot that I sent y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Where it tells you this is the day of the violation, yada yada yada, and telling you how all your crap is resetted. So I replied to that. I'm like, bro, what? That don't make no damn sense. Like I can understand taking my the money for that day.
like that violation of the day. I'm like, okay, because that day I made like 1,000. I'm like, okay, take the profit that I made for that day, and I actually even traded an extra day, which would have gave me 9 days. So I'm like, well, I had 9 days, I still would have technically qualified for a payout. So I messaged them, they didn't reply to that one. And then Sunday, when I saw my crap was gone, I'm like, hold up, what the heck? I messaged them. I'm like, bro, where the hell's my profits? Like, and nigga still haven't replied back to me. I'm like, all right, bro. I'm telling you, man, my finger's right here on the trigger, man.
That's
charging back everything, bro.
You keep making me laugh, bro. I ain't trying to laugh at the stuff.
Charge back everything, bro. My account's still sitting here at 51. I don't even care about it no more, bro. I'm gonna.
Oh, so you're not trading it?
Nah, I ain't touching it.
I ain't touching it until they put that money back.
You know, hit me up. All right, bro. Charge back. Get all my money back, bro.
Yeah, I'm trying not to laugh, Jane.
Nigga, I was laughing yesterday, bro.
Hey, shit. I can't even lie. I got an Apex that got money in it. Shit. I motherfucker ain't fair, motherfucker. Man. Hold on.
Right, y'all come up with the most idiotic rules just to pay, not to pay niggas, man. Nah, bro. Go ahead and give my money.
That ain't cool. No, like that.
The only way to combat it is you gotta make a YouTube page, just like that dude that made 2 million, and then track everything online. Everything.
It don't matter though. That's their rule though. Like that's a rule.
It's not even like I remember I was watching this other guy who was talking about
their rules.
Who was talking about their rules, and he's like, the thing is, they don't even like post it. Like they don't tell, like if you go, you gotta search for all that crap. And not only that, they don't tell you that they wipe your profits out. They just say, oh, if you violate, you gonna get denied. The whole wiping out your profit, that's not even in their crap though. They had to tell me that crap was wiped out. I'm like, nah, nigga. All right, bro. Charge back everything, bro. When them niggas ask me, oh, why are you charging back? I'm like, scam, bro. Give my money, man. Nigga, scam.
They're gonna say
horrible service.
Company all over your credit card.
I'm like, yeah, them niggas weren't scammed. They were paying me. Now they scamming. Charge back. Give me all my money, man. And credit cards, they don't care, bro. They're just like, all right.
If you say so.
No, I've charged back.
I'm talking about with the credit card. They're gonna say if you say it was fraud, nigga, they're gonna take it off.
Yeah,
they're gonna do whatever you say.
They're gonna say do whatever I say. Like, yeah, go ahead and give my money back, man.
I was agreeing with you.
Oh, okay. Go ahead and give my money back, man. Niggas want to scam? All right, bet, man. Stupid ass rules, bro.
Oh my God, James, this has made my day, man.
Stupid ass rule, bro.
Hey, so niggas want to scam? All right, bet. Watch this.
I'm about to go right when I'm done, bro. This evening, bro. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna ask Chat GPT write me a whole paragraph on how scammy these niggas is, man. I'm gonna put that thing on Trustpilot. Give them a 1 star.
Oh yeah, Trustpilot. Shit, you probably won't be the first one. Definitely probably not the first one.
I gotta get ready. What time is 11? I gotta get ready for work soon.
Yeah,
like that's what I'm saying. Like, imagine.
No, go ahead.
No, I was like, imagine trading for like 20 days.
Oh my God.
30 days.
Yeah,
that would hurt.
Yo, don't say that.
Yeah, that would hurt.
That's what I'm saying. Like, imagine trading for that long, and you might have just did that one mistake, and then you know, and then you trade in one contract and you're consistent. You get to 20, 30 something days, you request a pay, them niggas say, oh, nah, you violated on the second day. We're gonna have to wipe. Like, what? Like Jeremiah said, man, I would have crashed out, man. I want to go look up, man.
I need your
I'm burning
address.
down Apex, man.
I need your address, straight up.
Like, that's some crazy-ish, bro.
They say we don't care about your puts. Ain't nobody said nothing about options in a minute, huh? Y'all left it alone?
Oh, so James, one dude on YouTube said he got denied a payout, but it was
I know that's what I
because
should do. I should make a YouTube channel.
he got denied, and he said because he lost like $700 or something like that. So that was 30% of somebody lost $700 on a 25K account. So that's more than 30%, right? So so he still had the profit total after 8 days. He submitted it, they denied it, and said that that was the reason. So he had to trade, of course, 8 more days, but they didn't take all the profit away. They just said, we're not giving you a payout because you lost 700, whatever. They said, we're denying a payout. So those funds were froze. They had to trade 8 more days. He had everything, did everything right. He got a payout. Now those frozen funds become available the next cycle. Like, but yours is different. They took 7 days away. I'm like, whoa.
Right.
Like I was like, oh.
You say the money was, hold on. You say the money was frozen and then it was unfrozen on the next cycle?
Like after he got officially approved for one, the money they gave him was from the new funds he made. Like, okay, you can take money from that. But now, now he's on like the next cycle. And now they said they unfroze those funds from the first one you got denied for.
Right. Well, they better send my dog
you
an
can
email.
tap into that.
They
And
better
you can tap
send.
into that now. After you get another payout, you can tap into that.
Right. When you get denied the first time, you can't ask the money that was originally denied. So you got to make like a whole nother whatever, and then, or like the minimum, and then request. And once you're approved for that one, then the money that was denied beforehand, then that's like what Sean said, it's unfrozen, and you can request in it. I'm like, bro, y'all niggas, man. All right, give me my money, bro.
That's all the stuff ICT was talking about Saturday. He was talking about all that Saturday.
I need to go listen to that, man. Y'all be talking this joint up.
Give me my money,
he was talking
bro.
about all these rules that we got to deal with these prop firms. Like, these are not same thing I was saying when I was trying to get everybody to get a live account. Like, we dealing with way too many rules to get paid, and trading shouldn't be that difficult. You shouldn't even have to think about, like, before prop firms, you didn't have to think about all these new rules that we got to think about to get a payout. You just had to be consistent and profitable and take your money whenever you want. Now we got account violations, contract violations, and minimum days and minimum balances and all that stuff.
Hey, man.
Amp don't care about that. Amp, I can put some money in my account. I can take one trade. I can take all my money out. Just like that. Take one trade, win or lose. Take my money out. Ain't no rules, no none of that. But that's what we subjecting ourselves to when we want this extra capital. Cheap leverage. That's the cheap leverage ICT talk about. And the rules we subject ourselves to. Because we want cheap leverage. You want to have a $2,000 account with $200. Yeah.
Where we can put in a live, just gotta trade one
Yeah.
micro.
Yeah, my lady don't know nothing about trading, but when I told her the rules for a payout, she like, "Oh yeah, babe, you need to get your money and get you a regular account." And then I'm trying to, at the end of the day, I go like, bro, they're trying to give her the excuses. Yeah, that sounds good, but you know, you got this, and this, and this. And then she looking at me crazy the same way I was looking at. Yeah, it was reversed from me and Brody this morning. She don't know nothing about trading, but when I told her the payout rules, she like, I think you just need to get your money and get you a regular account.
Yeah.
And all I should have said was, "You right." But here I go with excuses. Yeah, but you can get, I can trade with this much money, and I only give them this much money, and yeah.
Right. But
now
you can put
4 PAs.
Remote, right? But motherfucker put their own 2,500 together and do right with it. And not have to put a cap on how much you can make a day and none of that shit.
Hey man, I definitely want to do
saying?
it. If I'm already trading the PA with micros, man, why I can't get a live account and trade with micros? But it's the same conversation we had at the beginning of the year.
Yeah, 25. But see, this 2,500. You know,
let me get a payout. Let me get a nice little payout where I can put 1,500 in a live account, and I do the same thing. Matter of fact, get the same. What we got? $2 grand, 2,500. If I can put $2 grand to 25 in a live account and trade it just like a PA, but I take my money out when I want to.
Mm-hmm.
One or two micros, and I don't have to worry about the margins then. My bad, bro. Go ahead.
No, I was gonna say make as much as you want to. You know what I'm saying? Once you get a certain amount, you know, they tell you can't make a certain amount. Well, you gotta keep making this much and all that consistency rules and shit.
Yeah. I say, man, I explain the rules to somebody that don't know nothing about trading, and she had the same answer that ICT.
She was like, nah.
She say the same thing ICT say. She ain't listen to ICT now speech, and she say the same thing he say. Make your money in that PA and put it in a live account. All she heard was the 50%. Like, yeah, I can get my payout on Top Step. I got this much in my account, and I can take out 50%. She's like, why 50%? It's your money, ain't it?
Right.
It's your money, ain't it? Why 50%? Right. Here I go with the excuses, and she making all the sense in the world. Mm-hmm.
Like you worked for it. They did it.
But see what happened was. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm at a text Brody today. Off to the side.
Come on, baby. What's up, man? Why are you?
Oh, James, I thought about you when I went to.
You just woke up, and Mama needs to come.
Oh.
What's up?
Yeah, I be seeing those videos.
Listen, I ain't got no milk for you, man.
Oh,
your mama ain't here yet. Hold on, man. Let me text your mom.
So yeah, I know those videos when you go to Jamaica and your girl go on a little water raft and they be lotioning her up.
Mm-hmm.
That'd be James.
Your mama out, man. Go get your mama. All right, baby. What's up? Let me text your mom, man.
Take that previous day low spiked up. They probably gonna go right back down for previous day low. It's still 11 o'clock.
Is your little girl walking or talking, Sean? Coos.
But you gotta know when the day ain't your day, boy. No news Tuesday. Just don't agree with my personality. It can be a different person loving all this back and forth. Slow movement. But without that red or orange folder, high impact news, man. It's low probability for me. Laptop already shut down. A little $20 for the day. In my mind, I'm thinking that at lunch I should get something clean, but I also know this right here. Same thing I said this morning in pre-market, man. Low expectations. Don't expect much. Expect to lose. Anything go in my favor, cover your entry. Because I don't trust it. I'm done on that, man. Come back tomorrow. We got a lot of news tomorrow. We should have a good day tomorrow. Back to the same regular schedule program. I'm gonna chill, chop it up with my dog, but we done trading for the day. We're done looking for a trade.
Come on, baby. Where are you trying to go, man? You can't crawl.
Tomorrow, 8 o'clock. We here.